Hi pa. May letter ako for you. Um, Nag-cry ako nito. But, basahon ko para sa mo. Papa, thanks for being there when I needed a shoulder to lean on, for patiently listening to my personal problems. Pa, I just want to know how happy am I to have you in my life, and I thank God for that. Pa, thank you for the love and joy you bring. You've changed my life so much, Pa. You're the only boyfriend who gives my heart some excitement and thrills. When I'm with you, I feel like I'm out of control. You taught me how to handle life seriously. You taught me how to solve my problems and to face it without any fear. When I'm with you, I feel no fear, not even a single one. Pa, I know that when you say you love me, and I admit that I've fallen for you, I know that I wouldn't shed any tears from now on. I love you, Langga, so much. I love you so much, and that's what I want you to bear it in your mind, and it's for keeps. Langga, palangga, tagi ka. Hindi lang ikaw magbago. Thank you, Gib, sa pagmamahal. And, yun na yun. Tama na rin na message. Kasi mahibi pa ako. Sige, I love you pa.